So in this video, we're going to see how you can create this type of AI images with your face for free. Now you might say that there are a lot of AI tools out there that does the same task, but the problem is some of them are really complex to use and some of them are paid and some of them are not even up to the mark. So what's fascinating about this AI tool which I'm going to show you right now? Number 1, it's free to use. Number 2, nothing complex, very easy to use. Number 3, not only you can create only images, but you can also create some videos, animations, as well as create some scenes and places. Number 4, you get controllable shots from close-up to full shots. So without further delay, let's dive in and get started step by step. But before that, if you are someone who is looking to be educated and updated in this AI revolution, then make sure hit that subscribe button to subscribe the channel and watch the video till the end so that you are going to be explore more exciting things. So let's get started. So first you need to open your Google browser or any of the browser that you use. I am showing Google browser over here because I use Google browser most of the time. Then go to the search tab and type Artflows. Now click on this and you will be faced by this interface. Once you are here, the next thing is to sign up with your email ID and agree with their terms and conditions. Now you are successfully logged in. Then what you need to do is go to the character builder and select actor, because here we are going to train the AI with our face. You will get your fast training for free, means if you are training with your picture, but after that if you want to train with anybody, then you have to pay the extra subscription charge. You need to train it only once, then you can generate picture as much as you want. Remember, in a free subscription you will get 100 credits and with 1 credit you can create 4 types of images. So in total, if you are only creating images, then you can create 400 images per month. Now click on this to create your AI character. Select your gender, then select your age, type your name, and remember these are the types of images that you need to upload and these are the images that won't work. So keep in mind whenever you are uploading your images. Now here let's upload 20 images. You can upload a minimum of 10 images, but the more images you upload, the better accurate results you will get. So I'm uploading 20 images. Once the images are being uploaded, you need to click on start training. Here it's showing due to heavy traffic it will take 1 to 2 hours, but usually it takes 30 to 40 minutes. Now we need to wait till the training phase is finished. Once it is finished, your actor is ready. Now you can create your images with your face. So these are the sample images that the model has created, and now we are going to create some custom images. Let's click on create image. Now here you will get some customized options, like if you can choose your image type like general or portrait. Let's select general. Here you can choose your image ratio. I'll choose a 1:1 ratio. Here you get director mode, which helps you control your character's position, scale and rotation. You can choose from a full shot to an extreme close-up shot. I'll choose the mid shot. Now here you can type your prompt to create the images that you want. But remember to always type @ before your name so that the AI will know that you are going to create images for your actor name. You can also add style, like here the default style is cinematic, but you can add any other style that you want. After this, click on generate. Here it's showing that it will use 1 credit, and here you can see that I have 100 credits. Now I have 99 credits left. So let's wait for some time, probably 1 to 2 minutes. Here is the final result. Not bad, 70 to 80% accuracy, which is pretty good. Now we have 4 images. You can also animate this image by clicking on this animation button. Now you can adjust your frame size and then go to dialogue. Here you can write your dialogue. Let's type subscribe to Subrat AI on YouTube. Here you can click on export and animate. It's going to spend 2 credits. So here is the animation video.
Subscribe to Subrat AI on YouTube.
Not that great, still needs a lot of improvement, but this is not my voice. But you can add your own voice here by uploading your audio file. Let's see some of my pictures. Some of them look good and some of them are not accurate, but it takes some better prompts to get more better result. So here is the pricing. For free plans, as I said, you get 100 credits, and if you want to train more than one model, you can choose the monthly subscription. But still I am most impressed with this AI tool is because its ability to quickly train your face and then generate any images that you can imagine. It's quicker and faster in compared to Dreambooth. I know there are a lot of things that needs to be improved, but if you are looking to create images with your own face, then you can consider Artflows AI tool. Now again, want to be updated and educated on AI, then hit that subscribe button.